I bet you're wondering what's going on here. I will be unhooking this thing and hooking it up fully by myself today. We are at a campground. I went to go see it and check it, and I was almost in tears, you guys, and so I decided to take a weekend. Sarah, you're gonna kill me. I know I should be saving money to make it to Arizona, but I just needed a weekend. So let's get started. All right, you guys, we are being escorted to our site, and they mean 1 mile an hour around here, boy, I tell you. Part 2 of this is about to begin. Sweet home. Okay, you guys, I'm going through my checklist. Looks like I am pretty off-centered by, not by much. I'm wondering if I let it up, will it slide over? But we're pretty good on the side. The ground looks pretty level until you get in there. So I don't know. Okay, y'all, I did it! I got it leveled. I'm so excited. I did it all by myself. Okay, so now we're gonna take this bad boy off of the truck. So first, we need to chuck the wheels. Let me get the chucks. You won't be able to see that because, yeah, you just won't be able to see it because I got to run around the truck. But I'm going to make sure you get everything else. I will walk around and take you with me. It's my first time ever doing this without Cedric. So, oh my goodness. It's nerve-wracking, but I need to learn. You never know. All right? So, hold on a second. Okay, now it's time to check out my work. I'm so proud of myself. Let's look at it. All right, everything's back in its place. That's unhooked. This is choked back. That's down. Those raw legs are on. And this is fairly done, so I'm proud of that. Those are up on the blocks. I usually like to take out the extra because it's not doing anything. Those are up on the blocks. That's down. So at this point, we just need to hook up our electric and power and get inside and clean up. Now I just need to make sure I put all this stuff up so I can find it. I'll take you with me. Now, I know at here, I need to make sure all my lights are a go before I plug in my stuff. So, I want to do that. I wish I had an extra hand. Now I just gotta get the water hose and the sewer hose, and I'm not gonna make you sit through that. And I'll be back when we get in the inside. All right, guys, hang in there. All right, time to let the slide out. Give Noodle some room. Turn the lights on now. Yay! Now we gotta get this generator out of here and put it outside somewhere. Or in the truck or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. You guys, this is why I tell you to check your camper. Can you believe this? The freaking sink has broke in the back, and now it is spraying water everywhere. It's always something. I just wanted a break. That's all I wanted, was a freaking break. And now look at it. Oh goodness. It's always something. Well guys, I think this is a great place to end the video, with a problem. I can't win for losing. I just wanted to come home and relax, but it's okay. Gotta go get a sink now, because you can't leave it like that, which means we can't use it at all because it sprays out the back. So thank you for watching.